Hello, YouTubers. This is Matt of Post April 6th YouTube channel. What you see out here are 3 different pans I am going to use to make breakfast. The breakfast I am making will consist of 4 sausage links, 3 eggs, and some hash browns. So what I'm going to do now is get started doing some cooking. Okay, I've gotten started letting the maple or pork maple breakfast sausage links to be browned, and the hash browns to get cooked golden brown. And what I'm using as a vegetable oil is Crisco. Yep, that vegetable oil makes my food taste really good. And as the cooking is going on, meanwhile, I am having a cup of coffee through one of these. And what this mug is about, because see, I'm a pipe smoker, and I've been collecting briar pipes since July 13th, 1991, or shortly afterwards. This is a coffee mug that you can buy on Zazzle, and it's a coffee mug with the logo for Paul's Pipe Shop and Pipe Hospital. It's a place that has been open for business for probably over 80 years by now, and it's located on Saginaw Street or Avenue in Flint, Michigan. Yes, Flint, Michigan is not the most violent place in the world. There's parts of it that are pretty bad, but a lot of it is safe. And the guy who owns Paul's Pipe Shop, Dan, I believe his last name is pronounced Spanolia. He's a very nice man, and he's very, very knowledgeable about pipes. This guy is, well, probably at least 75 by now. He's a really great man. I've talked to him several times. Okay, well, I will continue to let the food do its cooking. Stay tuned.